What are the easiest ways for beginners to invest in gold?
So I just want to caveat this by saying I don't really own any gold. I bought some gold once on the channel as like a little experiment, just some...
You got your little gold bracelet on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's got a piece of gold on a string. He can't afford the whole chain.
Piece of gold on a
so he
string.
just got the string.
Mine's
I
real.
got my gold's on a chain.
Yeah.
Yours is on a string. So there's levels to this thing, man. There's levels.
Yeah. So I don't buy any gold really for investment purposes, but I think that probably the easiest way is to buy a gold fund, like an ETF or an exchange traded commodity. You can buy them on brokers. Yeah, one of those, because you don't have to worry then about the storage costs and the safety. You know, if you've got gold bricks in your house, you might get robbed.
Yeah, you're meant to store them in a warehouse, like gold bullion, but you have to pay, like you said, storage fees. So it does get a little bit annoying. Yeah,
so I was watching a video the other day and it was like on TikTok and it was like, oh, we found an abandoned bank and we found silver in it. And they had all these silver bars in the drawers. And someone in the comments was like, that's a lie because silver tarnishes. So if that silver had been left there in open cases, it would have gone weird on the outside. And I was like,
yeah, because it's got to be like the right humidity and like the right temperature and all these things to like store the gold.
Yeah, I don't want to worry about all that. You know, because you buy this thing as an investment and then it's the price of it's getting, it's got a cost to maintain it. Whereas if you buy a gold fund, the fees involved which pay for that, but you don't necessarily have to worry about that as much. I think it was the introduction, I was looking at this the other day, the introduction of the gold funds in about, I don't know when it was, 2004? Sorry, chat, might be wrong. Just a average Oyinbo here trying to get it right. But after the introduction of the funds, like the price went up a lot because like the ability to purchase gold became a lot easier, kind of like the Bitcoin funds, you know, like they thought they would expect the price to go up. Still waiting.
Tell me about it.
£1 million Bitcoin any day now.
Any day now.
But yeah, so that's the easiest way I'd say, because you don't have to worry about all the other things. But I guess the key question is, why are you buying the gold? Are you buying it because it's gone up a lot in price recently? Or are you buying it because it's part of your broader portfolio strategy? I'd really encourage you to ask that question.
They say gold is protects your wealth. It's a hedge against inflation.
Yeah.
Is that an old wives' tale, or is that actually a hedge against inflation?
I think there was a really famous paper, and that paper said that it is a good hedge against inflation, but only over long periods of time. So the point where it's not useful in the sense of you would do it for like family estates, intergenerational,
not for yourself.
Yeah, but then at the same time, people in the comments are going to be like, "What are you talking about? Gold's done really well over the last few years." So maybe that paper needs updating. But yeah, I mean, the stock market tends to be a good place to beat inflation long term as well. That was a clip from our episode where we answered your investing questions. If you want to watch the full thing, you can do that right here.